Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Last month or two ago, I did a review on a shirt show cap, the Rad Cap, as it's now called. They have their own Facebook page now and website. So this is technically a Rad Cap. I did one before of the Lloyd Christmas cap. I called it the Lloyd. It was made by Rad. It's very vibrant orange. Of course, you got the Rad logo on the inside. And this was 100% wool. You can see the quilted liner on the inside. And this cap ended up making my top caps of the year of 2025. And as you can see why, I'm a big bright colored guy. You can see the wool dust going all over the place. But yeah, I mean, this cap is immaculate. I mean, it's absolutely perfect. And Lloyd Christmas, Dumb and Dumber, he had a pretty good friend. And I didn't purchase the cap at the beginning when they did release both of them. And so Lloyd was getting a little lonely. And so I reached out, ended up getting a Harry Dunne cap, as Harry's last name is Dunne in the movie of Dumb and Dumber. And Harry and Lloyd are finally back together. The boys are back in town. And so we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And this is from Rad Caps. And it's Todd Soren there. He has his own website there. And yeah, this is the Rad Harry cap from Shirt Show. This was from the Shirt Show, but now it is, like I said, Rad Caps. Let's go ahead and get this out. And of course, it gets a little tissue paper and everything in here. And I'm a huge fan of Dumb and Dumber, as you guys seen in my previous videos. But I'm just glad that we now have the Harry cap. We got the Lloyd on my head. We got the Harry right here. Let's go ahead and take this out here. Another great job. And, you know, one thing is about these smaller companies is that they definitely take that extra step of making sure, one, this cap doesn't need to be steamed. There's no wrinkles in it. It came packaged with the paper in there to make it hold its shape and shipping. And but yeah, that's just something you don't get from the bigger companies. And I must admit that Peaky Hat, Swisher Apparel, Rad Caps now, and Funky Brim, they definitely take that extra step. And it's definitely appreciated on a customer side point, because that's one less step. That's one thing frustrating is when you get a Boston Scally cap, not to throw their name out there and throw them on a bus, but you got to steam it before you can even have to wear it. And that's just kind of frustrating. But we're going to show a close-up of this video, or this cap. Again, the Harry cap from Harry Dunne from Dumb and Dumber. And I'm going to show you a close-up, and I'm going to go ahead and compare the two. So this is both of them together. Again, this is the Lloyd for Lloyd Christmas from Dumb and Dumber. This is a 59 centimeter by Rad cap. And then, I mean, there's great bright colors. And I'm a big loud color guy. As you can see, some other things that I purchase. And then here is the Harry for Harry Dunne. Nice blues, Rad, 59 centimeter. But look at the shape of this cap and this one here. This one here I've worn a few times, and it's still got great shape. And again, these are both 100% wool. But next to each other, they make a great complement from Harry and Lloyd. All right, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. All right, so here it is again. This is the Lloyd. This is the Harry. Now we're going to go ahead and christen this cap. Come on, Harry. Yep, fits just like the Lloyd. I love the blues. I love the bright colors. I wish I would have got this when I did my top caps of the year, because this and the Harry, and the Lloyd would have been up there. I would have definitely put them up there together. But yeah, this is the Harry Dunne cap from Dumb and Dumber by Rad Caps. Check them out on Facebook. They have the radcaps.co, I believe, is their website. Todd Soren, if you want to reach out to him as well, he's on all the Facebook groups, and hopefully he'll be on our Gentleman's Roundtable here shortly. And I'm sure he's got a list of caps that'll be coming out. You know, I'm sure you might hint around that if we ever do get him on the Gentleman's Roundtable. But let me know what you guys like more. Do you guys like the Harry or do you guys like the Lloyd? I can't make the decision. They're both bright. They're both my kind of style cap. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, this is Reviews of Moose. This is the Harry cap from Rad Caps. Size 59, 100% wool, high quality, and you won't be disappointed. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.